Open Photoshop, open your image or drag it to the window. Once the image is loaded, press Ctrl N or Command N on your keyboard and set the preset width to 3000 and height is 2300. Make sure the resolution should be 300. Choose the bit as 32. Click Create. There you have your workspace. Move this image using Move tool. Use free transformation to resize the image. Go to Layer, Layer Style, choose Blending Options. From here you will be choosing Drop Shadow. You might see, if you're using a Windows PC, you see a drop shadow at the top of your option. If you're using Mac, you will be seeing at the bottom of your window. Here, simply you can move around the image. You can see the drop shadow effects. Click OK. And from here, Layer, click the Stop Shadow option. Right click and then choose Create Layer. Click OK. Now this drop shadow has been created with another label. Select the drop shadow, go to free transformation again, place it over here perfectly and hold down Ctrl on your keyboard. Click the top center and then you can simply drop down your shadow. Readjust its position. If you want to stretch, use the angular button and make sure you keep holding your control button on your keyboard while resampling the drop shadows. There it is. Let's suppose light is coming from this direction. Click OK. If you want to retransform it, you can simply use the transformation tool and make sure to hold the control button or command key on your keyboard and choose the shadow as you required. Go to Image, Adjustment, Labels. You can always brighten or darken the image. Those are the different keys. Go to Image again, Adjustment, Color Balance, or you can change the channel mixture. It's getting changed if you want to change. Now hold down the Shift key, select background and hold down Shift key and press layer 1. This all three layers should get selected. Press Ctrl E on your keyboard, that will merge the image and make it a single one.